Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can stake your TIA tokens. It's easy to get this done. Open up your Keplr wallet. If you do not, make sure you download the Keplr wallet and set it up. So guys, once you've opened up your Keplr wallet, enter your password. And once you're on your dashboard, the icon at the top left, click on this icon and simply select the Celestia. So guys, once you've been able to select the Celestia network, make sure you have some TIA tokens. If you do not, make sure you deposit from a centralized exchange or another wallet. So guys, with that in mind, in order to stake, please take note that this is not financial advice. When you stake, you stand to gain rewards such as airdrop potentials. So you could potentially set yourself up for an airdrop when you simply scroll down and click on the staking option that's below. Click on staking, click on stake. And then you're taken to the list of all the active validators. You don't necessarily have to look for the big names like Binance, OKX. You could go for small names that have very good commissions. Like as you can see, Polychain has a good commission of 20%. We have Go, which has a commission of 6%. Finoa Consensus, which has 10%. We also have Bitcoin SUS, which has 100% commission. And so many other validators. All you need to do is find a validator of your choice based on the percentage and the voting power, like Twin Stake, and simply click on the stake option. Enter the amount of TIA you wish to stake. So as you can see, the fees here are really small. So let's say you have 1 TIA. I would recommend you stake at least up to 1 TIA for better chances of getting an airdrop, and simply click on the stake option. Please do well to do your own research, as by doing that, you stand a chance of understanding what you're getting yourself into, and you can avoid any potential risk. So guys, all you need to do now is click on the stake option and the TIA token will be staked and you stand a chance for a potential airdrop. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.